Welcome to CAMWorks Tips and Tricks. My name is Paul Ludwig, and this video is going to talk about mapping strategies. I'm going to go ahead and save this strategy back into my technology database. I'm going to give it a name here and then hit OK to save it, and then OK once again. Inside my technology database, I could select rectangular pocket in the drop-down, and then I could find my new strategy. I'm going to modify my strategy to include with all material, and I am going to set the default feature size to 0 and 1000 and then save it. Going back to my default feature strategies, I'm going to go ahead and make my new strategy my default for rectangular pockets. Back inside SolidWorks, I have a new part with 4 different pockets. Let's go ahead and hit extract machinable features. We'll see that we got an irregular pocket, our rectangular pocket, an O-brown pocket, and a circular pocket. All of the pockets except for our rectangular pocket are using the old strategy. So when I generate my operation plan and toolpaths, it's not going to be doing the exact same thing as the rectangular pocket is. These other ones are going to be doing the standard strategies. So what I want to do now is fix this. Typically, I can edit each of the strategies and save the other 3 pocket strategies out and then make those default. What I'm about to show you is another way you can accomplish this. Instead of creating new strategies for each of the other pockets, I'm going to map those pockets to my rectangular pocket strategy. We're going to select Map Mill Features, and then I'm going to take my circular pocket and map it to my rectangular pocket. Do the same for the irregular pocket and our O-brown pocket. I'm now going to save this, and let's go back and recognize the pockets inside of SolidWorks. Back in SolidWorks, I'm going to extract machinable features. We will notice that each of the pockets now has our new strategy. I can generate both my operation plan and toolpath, and we'll see that all of these strategies will now match what I wanted to do for the rectangular pocket. Thanks for watching our video. For more information, scan the QR code or click the link in the description.